How would you like to join me on a little adventure today to explore the forest and see what bugs we can find? If you have a scarf or a tea towel, please grab one, pause the video and get one for our warm-up. I have one with some butterflies on, which is perfect for today. I'll wait here for you, and then when you're ready, we'll get up on our feet. Ready for the warm-up. If you have a funky jacket, put it on. If you have a funky hat, you can put that on. If you have anything that you want to wear, pause the video again, get that and put it on. And then use your scarf to warm up your body, starting from the bottom. Warm up your feet. Warm up your legs. Warm up your knees. Warm up your tummy and your chest and your neck. Whee! Over your head. Back down the other side. So warm up your shoulders. Woo! Warm up your back. Warm up your bottoms. The backs of your legs. Backs of your knees. All the way down to your feet. And then just move your body in any way that it feels good to get it nice and warm. Use your scarf to dance. I'm feeling nice and warm. How about you? Oh, let's take a seat. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose. Blow it away. As if you're blowing up a big bubble in through your nose, and blow the bubble up even more. And one last big breath in. Blow the bubble up even more. Now, let's start our little adventure. So get comfortable. I'll give you a little clue before we start each bug. See if you can guess. Hum, hum, hum. So sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Stretch your arms out wide. Take a big breath in through your nose. And as you blow the breath away, do a gentle hum sound with your mouth. And if you like, you can flap your arms. Hum, hum, hum. It's a bumblebee. And then creepy crawl across the floor. So get on your hands and knees. Slowly lower down onto your elbows. Move your feet back and keep your back straight. And then use your arms and your feet to move backwards and forwards like a caterpillar. Here's the third clue. Lift lift and turn up to the sky. So stand with your legs wide apart. Turn your front foot forwards and leave your back foot facing your side. Use the front arm down to your lower leg or your foot, whichever is most comfortable. Bring the other arm up and look up to the sky. We're a stick insect. Can you do the other side? Shine and sparkle, twinkle toes. Can you guess what I am? So turn to face your side. Lift your left arm up towards the sky. Reach your right foot with your right arm. Pull it up towards the sky like a beautiful sparkling lightning bug. See if you can do the other side. Arm up. Catch hold of your leg. There. That's quite a tough one, but one of my favourites. I think you might get this one. Pitter, patter, tiny feet, spin, spin a web. Can you guess what we are? So start in standing position, bring your feet out wide, slowly bend your knees out to the sides, lower your bottom down until it nearly touches the floor. If you need to move your feet to get comfortable, do that, and then bring your hands behind your feet like a little spider. I think you may guess this one also. Flutter by flutter, fly, fly away. So sit nice and tall. Bring your soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with your hands and flap your little knees like beautiful wings. The wings of a butterfly. Flutter, flutter, flutter by. And then spread your wings and touch the ground. What bug is this? So sit up tall. Bring your legs out wide. Just until they feel comfortable. Place your hands in between your legs and just walk your fingertips forward slowly as far as you can. You may feel a pull on the insides of your legs or your lower back. Keep your back as straight as you can. We're a dragonfly. And then strum, hum, twist and turn. What could this one be? Let's see. Sit up, bend your knees, place your feet flat on the floor, place your hands flat on the floor behind you, and then lift your right leg up, put your right ankle over your left knee. Turn your left hand to face the back. Bring your right arm out and all the way around your body like a little grasshopper. Bring it all the way back. Put your leg down, see if you can do it on the other side. Put your feet back on the ground. And then wiggle, giggle, jiggle, hands and feet. What could this be? Whee! Oh, unicorn has fallen over. There you go. So sit down on your bottoms, put your feet flat on the floor in front of you. Lay down on your back. Bring your legs up, face the soles of your feet towards the sky. Hold the outsides of your feet with your hands. And you can rock from side to side. Whee! Or you can wave your hands and feet in the air like a little flipped beetle on his back. And we have one more bug left to see today. Snuggle, cuddle, close your eyes, little bug. What could this last bug be? So sit back on your feet, lift your head up nice and tall, put your hands down by the sides. Very slowly, just crawl your fingertips forward, all the way, excuse us unicorn, all the way until your forehead touches the floor. And then bring your arms back behind you, face your palms up to the sky and say, good night little ladybug, sleep tight.